Peterborough traffic, November Papa Echo is rolling 09, climbing 2,000 feet northbound. Okay, full power is being made. RPM's good, manifold pressure's good, temperatures and pressures are good. Airspeed is alive. There's flying speed. Off we go. Let's get rid of the gear. Not the smoothest. Gear is up and locked. Climb power is set. Get that nose down. Get some airspeed. Time is recorded. Let's get some more airspeed. A little more airspeed. 500 feet a minute. Oh, that cloud is coming down a lot. I think we'll just do some circuits here. And Peterborough traffic, November Papa Echo is joining the left circuit for runway 09 for a touch and go at Peterborough. I think we'll just stay here in Peterborough. Okay, we got till 10 after on this tank. Peterborough traffic, November Papa Echoes downwind for runway 09, touch and go. Fuel pumps on. Master's on, fuel pumps on, mags on. Lights are required, circuit breakers are in, throttle is set, propeller. Bring up, mixture is just fine where it is right now. 100 feet high, but airspeed's looking good. Ease off another inch of manifold pressure here. And just going to pitch the nose up a little bit, make sure we're well below our speed. We're grabbing the gear. Alright, gear's down and latched. 1 green. In the white arc, first notch flaps. Setting up for 90 miles an hour. A little more ventilation in this thing, that's for sure. Peterborough traffic, November Papa Echoes turning final for 09 for the touch and go. Okay, final landing. Mixture is rich. Prop is set. Gears down and latched, 1 green. Flaps are set. Approach speed is set. Temperatures and pressures are looking good. Out of the way, bird. Pretty happy with that. That's it. That's it. That's it. All right, let's go. Power set. Airspeed's alive. That is amazingly loud with a little storm window open, but definitely needing the ventilation. It's very warm. Okay, we're climbing nicely. Fine, power set.